Right, got another of our quick skills lessons. Today we're looking at I can use an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark! Okay, straight down, dot at the bottom. I'll just go over that again, shall I? It goes straight down, dot at the bottom. Okay, this is in our series of sentences and how sentences work. Remember, sentences end either in a question mark, an exclamation mark, or a full stop. So we've got the question mark, exclamation mark, and full stop. Okay, these are really important for the end of our sentences. So when do we use an exclamation mark? Sometimes in children's writing, this is one of the most overused bits of punctuation. We need to be very careful when we use it. An exclamation mark marks something significant, something important. Now, I do this when I'm texting friends or if I'm on WhatsApp, and I'll use it quite a lot, and it's bad to use it too much. If you use it too much, it's not so special anymore. Okay, it's like it's something that you need to use only when it's really, really necessary, or else it loses its meaning a little bit. So, what sort of situations might we need to make something really emphasized, really important? Well, one such situation is when there is something dangerous. Okay, I might be shouting to someone that they need to watch out, watch out. The exclamation mark points out that something really significant is happening and that you need to stop and be careful. In fact, just that word there, stop, with an exclamation mark, it points out how serious it is. If I just said, watch out, with a full stop, watch out, with a full stop, it's not so important. It's just, watch out, there's a few things going on, blah, blah, blah. But this, watch out! Something serious is coming. Maybe your life is threatened. Maybe you could be really injured at the end of this. It could be really important. Watch out! Okay? Stop. All right, just stop. Yeah, stop. Okay. Stop! Right? It is a big difference between the two. So a warning could be, you might see it on the road, ice on road, exclamation mark, okay? Ice on road. Be really, really careful, okay? Because there is ice on the road. All right, so these are some times when I've got a warning. What about if I'm saying something really loud? Sometimes I might be saying something that's really important. It might not necessarily be a warning, it could be linked to a warning, but it's something significant, okay? I don't care, right? You're not my friend anymore. Yeah, something that is shouted, that is exclaimed, okay? You're not my friend. Exclamation mark. You're not my friend. Okay? It goes to show something really serious. All right? Emotions just generally doesn't have to be serious as angry. What about this? I might say, that's the best present ever. Okay, the best present ever. That's the best present ever. Exclamation mark. Okay, it's really making the point. It's the best thing ever. You are the funniest person in the world. You are my best friend. Okay, the exclamation mark is the point that it's really, really serious. In a paragraph, how many should I use, do you think? Pause. I'd say about 1, okay, or 0, between 0 and 1. This is only when something very significant in your story is happening that you're writing. Or if you're trying to write an advert, maybe it's to point out a really significant point, or if you're making an information poster, it's to say that the world is being damaged by pollution, exclamation mark, okay? So, your little job now for me to do, and I'd like a few of these sent in to me. I want you to pick some different emotions, some things that are shouted, some things that are warning, and I just want some simple sentences using exclamation marks. Off you go.